Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. If you're encountering the can't play this right now error in Spotify on your iPhone, then here are some fixes you could try and follow. The first thing to do is to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection, since the error may occur if you have a connection that is weak or intermittent. You can also try switching between a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, and once you have the internet connection that is stable, you can go back to the Spotify app and check if that fixes the issue. Another thing you can do is to force close the Spotify application. From your iPhone, swipe from the bottom of the main home screen and push off the Spotify app card. Once you are done with it, you can now go to your app store and launch it open. In the search box, type in Spotify. Open up the application that you spot and then tap on the update button if available in this page. If you see an open button, it means your application is up to date. If you see an update button, your application needs an update right away. Go ahead and tap on update. Once the update is done, you can go back to the Spotify app and check if that fixes the issue. If the problem still persists, you can log out and log back into your Spotify application. From the main home page of Spotify app, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. Scroll all the way down and tap on log out. Confirm login out by tapping log out one more time. You'll then be redirected to the main login page. Here you can go ahead and continue logging into your account again. Select one of the login methods and follow the prompts. Once you log into your Spotify application, you might be able to fix the issue. Also, if you're using a VPN, it may be causing the connectivity problems with Spotify, so try disconnecting from the VPN and see if that resolves the issue. Also ensure that there are no network restrictions or firewalls blocking Spotify on your device. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through Spotify can't play this right now error on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.